Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm back to share with you a simple border for any project you're making. Very easy and straightforward if you don't want anything complicated with a border, especially when you do blankets or any projects which needs a border. So this is called single crochet reverse. It gives a nice finished look and it is also easy and quick to make. So I have prepared a piece of square here to show you all around how to make it. So I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna insert my crochet hook in any of the corners. And slip stitch. I'm gonna chain one. So usually with a single crochet we're gonna go forward this way, but with a reverse single crochet we will be going backwards. So I have chained one. I will come to the stitch behind, or the chain behind the where we did the slip stitch, and work a single crochet, pull through, two. Okay, that's the first one. Go on to the next stitch, which is the stitch behind, and do the same. Pull the yarn through, pull through two. And we're gonna continue the same way. And you will see, how it will look like later. Go slowly because at the beginning it might be a bit difficult to take the yarn with you. Okay? And the stitch behind and do the same. You see so far how it looks. We're gonna continue the same. Here. So this is so far how it looks like. We're gonna turn to this side now, and I'm gonna make one reverse single crochet over here and continue. This is so far how it looks. And we continue. If you want a more square look, you can make in the corners 2 reverse single crochet. So, but I'll keep it to 1 here. somewhere at the end here, and we'll add the last reverse single crochet, and we'll join with a slip stitch. Okay, and this is how it looks like. As I said, simple and pretty. It gives a nice look to any of your project. I hope you like this simple and easy tutorial and you found it useful. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.